Top-notch bitch on A-list dick. This city girl shit can't flex like this. Old country ass bitch can't dress like.
It's your girl Nova, and I'm back with another video, period. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. And if you're new, welcome to the Nova gang. So, we're gonna hop right to this video like we always do. As you can tell by the title of this video, your girl's doing a what? Another hair review, period. And today's hair review is by, ooh, let me put my phone on, do not disturb. Aosun Hair. Period. You guys, the box came kind of ripped because everybody's shipping has just been trash. Like, y'all can never just deliver my packages and just have it be, just look put together, but it ain't that. This is not their fault. This is the delivery service fault. So, yes, you guys, I got this wig yesterday. Yes, I got this wig yesterday, and the date is December 20th. So I got it on the 19th. And I really was so tempted to open this package, but I told myself, please, Ari, wait to the video. Just don't do it. Let your subscribers see the excitement as well, okay? So, we're gonna go ahead and hop right into this video. Y'all, get into the little beat. You know, sounds slight. So, this is the straight human hair wig. This is a natural color, and it's in the inches 18. I will put all the specs and details on the side of the video, so let's go. Ooh, honey. Okay. So they provide your girl with some 7D lashes. Go ahead and let y'all see that. They gave me a brochure with all their contact information. So it says, thank you, you know, you're welcome. And this just gives you all the specs and details as well on this brochure. And it's about wig care, about the wig length, washing the hair, and just other tips on when you get your wig. So I'm gonna make sure I give them some good feedback. And it has all their contact information on the back as well. So yes. So they gave your girl a wig cap, and you know me, I don't never have no wig cap. She don't never have no wig cap. So here it is. So let's get into this. And I'm gonna add this box to my wig collection because why not? So yes, I'm so excited. They gave me a bang wig. I haven't had a bang in a minute, so it comes in the bag and it says 18 inches well. Keep this bag to put it back in later. So as per usual, the net and the paper in the inside. And y'all, get into it. Get into it, honey. This feels really good. This feels very good. No smell. Okay, Aosun Hair. Y'all really outdid yourselves on this. So, like I said, it does have the bang. And you guys, I love this already. You know, straight out the package. I know I'm gonna have to straighten it with my my straightening iron, but it's fine. So this is the inside of the wig. Make sure y'all can see this. This is the inside of the wig. It has the comb on the bottom. And this is the wig construction here. You do have the regular elastic bands, which you know your girl's gonna have to adjust. Okay. All right, y'all. So I went ahead and put the wig on, and this is what it looks like. Fresh out the pack. Honey, Aosun, I love this wig. I have not had a bang wig, and I don't know how long, but this looks so good. So the quality of this hair is it feels so good. The density of this wig is definitely, I definitely like it, but let's look at the specs of this wig. Let's look over the specs of this wig. So this wig is 150 density, and this wig, you ready to hear the price? You ready to hear the price? $63.79. $63.79. And they have an extra 10% off code on their Amazon at this very moment. So we're gonna go ahead and straighten this hair and see what we're working with, because already just out the pack it looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and break this down just a little bit. So yes, you guys, I really do like this wig. Aosun, thank you for sending me this unit. Thank you. So we're going to just straighten it down and just bump the ends just a tad bit. And honestly, this hair, even though it's straight already, just how smooth it is, and taking my flat iron, this is literally bomb. All right, so that's what it looks like fully straightened. And we're gonna go ahead and bump this, these bangs and just see what we're working with. This is what the wig looks like styled. Like, y'all, this wig is definitely, this is definitely it. This is definitely a good wig. And honestly, I just want to say that the quality for the price, this should be a part of your bougie on a budget. And this is why it's on the series. It is on the Wig Diary series. Because what is this wig giving me? It's giving me very much I'm grown. This is giving me very much I'm grown. Pipe down when you're talking to me. This is what this wig is giving. And honestly, I have no complaints with this wig. I don't have any, it's shedding. I don't have any, oh, it's not, it's tangles, none of that. So I'm gonna show you what the length looks like. With me, I am 5'2½". So this is what the 18-inch looks for me. And then show y'all what it looks like in the back. Comb it out some so y'all can see the full effect. It does have some flyaways a little bit, but that's nothing. So that's what it looks like. So yeah, that's the review. That's the review. I was kind of hesitant, don't get me wrong, because you know some people don't really rock the bang look too well, but honestly, I love it. I love it. I don't have no complaints when it comes to this wig whatsoever. It's definitely, 1, it's affordable, 2, the quality is very nice, and 3, it can get to you in 1 day or 2 days. The shipping is so fast. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Will this be my everyday wig? Who knows? Check out my Instagram and see if I wear this wig every day. I might. If you do purchase this wig, please let me know. Make sure that you look at the description for all the details and specs on this wig. I don't know. There might be a little discount down there. Who knows? And yeah, that's this video. That's the review. That's the review on this wig. So if you want to see more of my beautiful face, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you like, comment, and share with your friends. You know, let your friends join the Nova gang. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you comment them down below. I'm always open to video suggestions. And if you want me to, you know, stray away from the Wig Diary series, I'll do that. It's really dependent on y'all. So yes, I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.